Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. We talk about skin allergies. Skin allergies can be frustrating and uncomfortable, but there are several natural remedies you can try at home to ease the symptoms. Let's dive into some effective and simple solutions. First up, oatmeal baths. Oatmeal is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great remedy for itching and irritation. Simply grind half a cup of oatmeal into a fine powder and add it to a warm bath. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to calm your skin. Next, aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is perfect for soothing inflamed and itchy skin. You can either use store-bought gel or extract fresh gel from an aloe vera leaf. Apply it directly to the affected areas and let it sit for about 15 minutes for instant relief. Another great option is coconut oil. Rich in fatty acids, coconut oil can moisturize your skin while reducing inflammation. Simply apply a small amount to the itchy areas and massage gently. It will also help restore the skin's natural barrier. Green tea bags are another easy remedy. Green tea contains antioxidants and tannins, which can reduce swelling and redness. Simply steep 2 green tea bags in hot water, allow them to cool, then place them on the affected areas for 10 to 15 minutes. Lastly, always keep your skin moisturized. After using any of these remedies, apply a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and prevent further irritation. While these home remedies can provide relief, it's important to remember that persistent or severe skin allergies may require professional medical attention. If symptoms don't improve, consult a healthcare provider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay calm and take care of your skin.